Hello everybody and welcome back to my first tutorial video. Today I'll be teaching you two things in one video. I'll be teaching you how to install a mod, which today the example is going to be the Lucky Block mod, and how to install add-ons for the Lucky Block mod 1.8.9. So let's get right to the video. So I'm going to leave you the links in the description. I'll leave you the Lucky Block mod and I'll leave you this in the description. So first of all, you're gonna have to press Windows and R if you're on Windows. I don't know what on Mac. It's gonna go %app data %. When you press OK, it should lead you to this. I already have the mods installed, but I will teach you how to install them. So first, what you'll do is, you're gonna go here into roaming. You have to click .minecraft, and if you don't have a mods folder, create one. And also, assuming you're watching this video, then you probably installed Forge. If you haven't installed Forge, look up a video to install it. I'll make a tutorial about it later. So make a mods folder, exact capitalization, everything. Go to the mods folder, and you'll have the mods. It will be empty, but I'll teach you later. Alright? So I'll send you this link in the description. Lucky Block mod. You scroll down, and then you'd click this, and you would download it. When that doesn't happen, then you just go to another server, like download from server 1, 2, and 3, because some servers don't work for some people. And sometimes you have to click them multiple times, which can get really annoying, but it does work. So yeah, the Lucky Block mod. Now do not extract the zip file. Just drag the entire zip file right in your mods folder. And as soon as that happens, run your game once and then close it. I'm not gonna do it just to save time. But what you would want to do is just run your game once and then close it. And then we move on to step 2, which is moving on to the installing of the add-ons. For this example, I use the Astro Lucky Block, which I already have installed. I have many add-ons installed. I like experimenting. Don't judge me. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna need these two mods for most of the Lucky Block add-ons. I recommend you install them anyway, whether you need it or not, just because they do help as well. And you obviously need the Lucky Block mod, so once you install these two mods, Loot++ and Potion Core, then you're gonna want to install this. Hopefully this works from first try. Yes, it did. Now I will warn you, from this area that I'm gonna send you, or in CurseForge, wherever you're gonna install the Lucky Block mods, normally, alright, well not normally, but most of the time you're just gonna want to drag, so this zip folder, you would want to drag it to configurations. No, not configurations, I apologize guys. Add-ons. Configurations is 1.7.10. In 1.8.9 you're gonna want to go to Lucky Block, I mean. I've done so many mistakes. And this is for 1.8.9. You would drag this zip file over here. I'm not gonna drag it since I already have it. But for some of these Lucky Block add-ons, like Lucky Block Delta, I just drag the zip file and I extract it. But some of them you have to check inside, because I'll tell you how to tell when you have to do it. So this thing just has like all the configurations, and yes, it's right inside here. So you just have to drag the zip file. But in cases of for example, the surgical Lucky Block, if it has a file in it, then you'd want to drag that file inside here. You don't have to drag the zip folders and the files, but I just do it because I feel like it. So yeah. So anyway, as soon as you're done, now you're gonna want to load up Minecraft. I'm assuming you know how to install Forge when you do this, so that should hopefully help you. And I will give you another warning. Try not to sometimes it's best to put them one by one instead of just get all of them and drag them through here, because you wouldn't you would barely know which is the issue. Some of them don't work well together. Like I tried to install the Inca Lucky Block the other day and it wouldn't work. So that's why yeah. Just I recommend you don't install a bunch and then put them all at once. Put them one by one and then start the game. So this thing will be loading, right? Let's leave that in the background while I tell you about this. That 9 Minecraft is where I recommend you install all your mods, because that's where I install most of my mods. So anyway, as soon as this completes, you'll notice as soon as this finishes, okay, so this will notice if you have 13 well, not 13 mods, you can check your mods, and you would have Lucky Block, Potion Core, and Loot Plus Plus. Ignore the other mods, I just use them for other stuff. Now if you make a world, you should find this working. If it doesn't work, you might have an issue. You can type in the comment section if you got any issues with this. Now, I will also tell you one other thing. Installing mods, like installing an actual mod, is going to be the same for just about any version, as long as you have the correct Forge version and actual version opened. Lucky Block addons are not the same for every version, and only some of the versions are the ones like I showed you now. If you want to see a tutorial on the other ones, just type in the comment section below. And as you can see, our Lucky Block mods have been installed. The example I've shown you was the astronaut Lucky Block, isn't it? Right. Now as you can see, it all works. And you can use this to make a survival or a minigame, whatever. So yeah, I'm assuming you know the Lucky Block mod, so I'm not gonna review it unless you want me to review it. If you want me to review, I can review it for you, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, this tutorial video. Hopefully it helped you. If it helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you later.